Hello friends, we discuss about what is power factor or how we can define the power factor. We can define power factor by three different way. Now first, power factor is a cosine of angle between voltage and current. If angle between voltage and current is phi, then power factor is given by cos phi. Now we know that in AC system we can represent the voltage, instantaneous value of the voltage by Vm sin omega t, and we can represent the instantaneous value of the current small I by Im sin omega t plus phi. Here the small v represent the instantaneous value of the voltage and Vm represent the maximum value of the voltage. Similarly, small I represent the instantaneous value of the current and Im represent the maximum value of the current. Now here the angle, we can see that the angle between voltage and current is phi, because the difference in angle is phi. So phi is the angle between voltage and current, and cosine of this angle, that means cos phi, is the power factor of AC system. So this will give a first definition. Power factor is a cosine of angle between voltage and current. Now we take the ratio of active power to the apparent power. So active power divided by apparent power. So in single phase AC system, active power is given by Vi cos phi. Here V and I are the RMS value of voltage and current, and apparent power is product of V and I. So here we can see that this in both numerator and denominator we can cancel this product of Vi. So this will give only cos phi, which is equal to power factor. Okay, and also in three phase AC system, active power is given by root 3 VL IL cos phi, and apparent power is root 3 VL IL. So here also this term root 3 VL IL are cancel out. So this equal to cos phi. So in both single phase AC system or three phase AC system, ratio of active power to the apparent power will give us a, means ratio of active power to apparent power is equal to cos phi, and this cos phi is nothing but a power factor. So this will give us a second definition of power factor. Power factor is a ratio of active power to the apparent power. Okay. Now the power factor is ratio of active power to the apparent power. Now we know that the active power is given by I square into R, and apparent power is given by I square into Z. Here both I square are cancel out, so it is equal to R by Z. So cos phi is equal to R by Z, and cos phi is the power factor. So this will give us a third definition of power factor. Power factor is a ratio of resistance to impedance. So this is how we can define the power factor by three different ways.